What actually does the YouTube algorithm look like? To me, this is how it looks. That feeling makes me want to meet the YouTube algorithm personally, then kneel down before it and say to it, "Almighty YouTube algorithm, please make my video go viral, please." Believe me, I'm not the only one who does this. A lot of us do it, let's be honest. So, what actually does the YouTube algorithm look like? Possibly a werewolf, or maybe a dragon, or maybe a crocodile, or maybe it's a viper, seriously dangerous viper. Nobody knows what the YouTube algorithm looks like. In fact, when I asked my little sister what she thought the YouTube algorithm looked like, she said it looked like a monkey that came out from the evil forest. But all these opinions about the YouTube algorithm lies under one condition: what is happening to people on their YouTube channels, what is happening to their videos on the YouTube channel. That's why they think of the YouTube algorithm as some kind of ghost, or maybe one unknown robot that could destroy the whole world, an unknown robot that could throw you into the asylum of darkness, an unknown robot that could control any YouTube channel, an unknown robot that could destroy any YouTube channel, or otherwise shadow ban it. So now let's get to the point. What does the YouTube algorithm look like? I don't know, but to help us understand this better, let's say I'm a victim of theft and you are a policeman. So I want you to get the person who stole my phone and he's not around, but you have to sketch his face to get him arrested. What will you do? Now I start explaining the person, you start drawing, and finally you get the face of the person and you say, "Is this the person?" And I said, "Yes, this is exactly the person who stole my phone." And then the police orders an arrest. Moving straight to the person's house, gets arrested. Now let's do the same thing to the YouTube algorithm. We're going to find out what the YouTube algorithm looks like. And now I'm going to be a victim of shadow banning, and I'm going to tell you to draw the YouTube algorithm in your sketchbook. Okay, you're going to draw it in your memory. Draw it in your memory what the YouTube algorithm will look like. Are you ready? Let's start. First of all, the YouTube algorithm are you ready? All the audiences you have in your YouTube channel. Did that shock you? It shouldn't. The YouTube algorithm are your subscribers. Seriously, it is your subscribers. Now, draw your subscribers in just one huge face. Let your subscribers have one huge image. What would they look like? You will ask yourself, how would I draw 1,000 persons as a person? Or how would I draw 200 subscribers as one person? Well, the best answer is just put 200 persons in one head. Haha, seriously joking. But you get the point. The YouTube algorithm are your audience. Then you should picture what your audience look like. Maybe your audience are all seriously minded people who love money. Then maybe a person with a gold chain would fit that description. Then that is the YouTube algorithm. So never you think that YouTube algorithm is a robot walking around YouTube seeking to devour a YouTube channel or seeking to promote a YouTube channel that is giving it what it wants. Seriously not. That's where people get the mistake wrong. The YouTube algorithm is not a werewolf, just as I think the YouTube algorithm is. The YouTube algorithm is not a ghost. Actually not. The YouTube algorithm is not a snake. It's not a bulldog. It's not a dragon. It's not a crocodile. The YouTube algorithm is not that. I tried to tell my sister too that the YouTube algorithm is not a monkey. The YouTube algorithm are her audience. That's the YouTube algorithm. If you know that YouTube algorithm are your audience, then what is the solution to pleasing the YouTube algorithm? Simple. You have to please your audience. That's the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is never a robot. It's never a kind of optimized robot that scans through all YouTube channels seeking to destroy one of your video, or two of your videos, or three of your videos, or even your channel. Now, YouTube algorithm are your audience. If your audience wants to destroy you, fine, your channel goes down. But if your audience wants to upgrade you, then good, your channel goes up. That's the YouTube algorithm for you. So never you think, I've said this a lot, but never you think that the YouTube algorithm is some sort of ghost. Just as I thought the YouTube algorithm is a ghost. Recently, I've been posting videos. In fact, I've created about 24 YouTube channels which all failed, and I began to cry. I said to myself, my case is different. This YouTube algorithm, this ghost, this demon doesn't want me to grow. But that's not the case. The YouTube algorithm is actually the audience you have. If you have 1 subscriber, then your YouTube algorithm is that subscriber. If you have 2 subscribers, then your YouTube algorithm are the 2 subscribers. Do all you can to please that 2 subscribers, and if that 2 subscribers are happy, then they are going to boost you. But if they are sad, they are going to shadow ban your channel. That is the YouTube algorithm. So finally, what do you think the YouTube algorithm look like? Does it look like a butterfly? Does it look like a flashy car? So what do you think the YouTube algorithm looks like? You can tell me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video.